Story for beginners. Tommy and the Big Dream. Tommy was a 10-year-old boy. He lived in a small house with his mom, dad, and sister. Tommy was a smart boy, but he did not like school. He did not like homework. He did not like math, history, or science. Tommy loved music. Every day he listened to songs. He sang in the shower. He sang in his room. He sang at the dinner table. He wanted to be a singer. One day, Tommy said, "Mom, I don't want to go to school." His mom said, "You must go to school, Tommy." "But I want to be a singer,"
Tommy said.
"You can sing," said Mom, "but school is important too." Tommy was sad. He went to his room. He looked at his guitar. "I have a dream," he said. "I want to sing for the world. I don't want to study anymore. I will run away and follow my dream." At night, Tommy packed his backpack. He took a sandwich, a bottle of water, his guitar, and his lucky hat. He opened the door very slowly and left the house. It was dark. The moon was bright. Tommy walked and walked. He did not know where to go. He saw a park and sat on a bench. He played his guitar and sang a song. A man walked by. He stopped and listened. "You have a nice voice," the man said.
"Thank you," Tommy said.
"Where is your home?" the man asked. "I don't have a home now. I ran away. I want to be a singer." "Oh," said the man. "Do your parents know?" "No," said Tommy. The man sat down. "My name is Joe. I was a singer too," he said. "Really?" asked Tommy.
"Yes,
"But it was not easy. I had no money. I was tired and cold. I missed my family." Tommy looked down. He felt a little scared now. "Do you miss your family?" Joe asked. "Yes," Tommy said softly. "Do they love you?"
"Yes. My mom and dad love me."
"My sister too." "Then go home, little singer," Joe said. "Sing your songs, but study too. Dreams are big, but school helps you dream." Tommy smiled. "Thank you, Joe. Good luck, Tommy." Tommy walked back home. The sun was rising. He knocked on the door. His mom opened it. "Tommy," she cried, "where were you?" "I went to follow my dream, but I came back." His mom hugged him. "We love you. You can sing and study. You can do both." From that day, Tommy went to school. He studied in the morning. In the afternoon, he sang. He wrote songs. He played his guitar. Many years later, Tommy became a famous singer. At every concert, he said, "Follow your dream, but never stop learning."
Like and subscribe to the channel.